A senior Metro Police official accused of corruption, fraud, and manipulating the justice system itself. A municipal executive allegedly involved in fake court appearances scheme worth hundreds of thousands of rands. Both men now sit behind bars waiting a decision that could determine their freedom. This is not just a case, it's a test of justice system. The arrest in April 2026, a SAPC task team linked to Madlanga Commission arrested Julius Mkhwanazi. The following day, Kagiso Lerutla was arrested at OR Tambo International Airport. The coordinated arrest signaled a deeper investigation led to systematic corruption. The charges. Both accused face Schedule 5 charges: corruption, fraud, and defeating the ends of justice. Mkhwanazi faces an additional charge of unlawful possession of ammunition. Under Schedule 5, the burden shifts to the accused to prove why these deserve bail. The identity scheme. The state alleges that Luretla avoided a 2019 court appearance by sending paid impersonators. This individual allegedly completed legal process under false identity while Lerutla attended a job interview. The scheme reportedly cost 400,000. Escalating allegations. Further allegations include a 2021 fatal crash involving Lerutla and claim of sin tampering, as well as 2022 legal allegations linked to Mkhwanazi. While denied, these claims shaped the court perception of risk. The courtroom battle. The accused first appeared on 20 April 2026 and were remanded in custody. Bail hearing followed. The state argued risk of interference and the defense argued stability and low flight risk. Predicted outcome. As the court prepares to deliver its ruling, the central issue remains risk. The state has presented a strong argument that the accused, particularly Mkhwanazi, may interfere with the witnesses due to the position and influence. Combined with allegations suggesting a pattern of manipulation, the court is likely to adopt a caution approach. The most probable outcome is that the bail will be denied for Mkhwanazi. However, the remains of the realistic possibility is of a split decision, when Kagiso Lerutla could be granted bail under strict conditions such as house arrest, restricted movement, and no contact with the witness. This outcome would reflect the court's attempt to balance individuals' rights while the need to protect the integrity of the investigation. Defense strategy. The defense could have strengthened their case by offering strict bail conditions, eliminating the interference risk, and challenging the state narrative more aggressively. Final analysis. The case raised broader questions about power and accountability. The court decision will influence both the legal process and public trust. The closing. The ruling will not just determine freedom, it will define how the justice system responds to allegations of internal manipulation. That concludes our analysis. Thank you for watching the sim. If you found this breakdown useful, consider subscribing for clear, factual legal analysis. Until next time, stay informed.